smell off, Niver?
So this video's kind of ended up being a day in the life. So this is Lilac, and she's from Zimbabwe. Right, Micah, are you ready to go and try this?
Yeah. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today we're just outside, and at the bottom of our garden, Mom. These baby cows have come. Mom. And that one over there, it was born on Neva's birthday. So they're all almost a year old. So it's been raining, hasn't it? Are you saying hi, Micah? Good boy.
Guys, this one over here, this black one, it's called Optimal Vine. It's like Optimal Vine.
Yeah.
Mum. Mum even thought that brown one there was called Titanic.
I did think it was called Titanic. It was my eyesight over there. But they've all got, yeah, Meek is over there. BT. And then...
Hey, it's like E.T.
We have our favourite. So mine is Edith.
My favourite one is that one. I think.
That's Kyra there. I really like that one over there as well.
I like Spot.
Spot, yeah, Spot is so cute. So Edith's there. That's Edith, and then Spot is next to her. So we saw these when they must have only been about 6 months old, and they was in that field all the way down there. We went walking, and there was over there, and then we bumped into the farmer. Yeah, have you got a Spot? Oh. They like them leaves, don't they?
Yeah, I wonder why. I want to call her Spot Squad.
Spot Squad, you want to call her?
Yeah, like a wild cat.
Yeah.
Spot Squad.
Yeah. Oh. They're so timid though. Like if Micah comes running down, they'll go quickly.
What's your favourite one, Eva? Edith or? I like that one over there. That brown and white one, the light ginger light type.
Kyra.
Yeah, Kyra.
Is it Kyra or Sierra? Oh, it's Sierra.
Okay.
That one.
It's like, oh, this one here is eating a big mouthful.
Ooh.
He's trying to bite it off if he can.
They was letting Ryan stroke them the other day as well, Dad.
I'm just trying to. When she pulls, I pull. It's a little hard.
Her breath stinks. What does it smell of, Niver?
Mom.
What does it smell like?
Like grass. No.
Like poo. Oh my gosh. How could you tell her breath smell? Does she breathe on you?
Yeah, she breathes on me. Mom. Only cows have four stomachs.
I don't think they can pick the leaves off the floor. Sorry, what were you saying, Caleb?
They have 4 stomachs, cows, so they can digest all the grass and leaves they eat.
What were you saying about the hair before? Because I was saying about how curly it gets.
When they grow, right? So they're all fluffy now, but when they grow, the hair shrinks because there's more skin growing.
Is that what you...
Mom, guess what this cow did?
What did she do?
She got barber all over me.
She got barber? What's barber?
This is barber.
What's barber?
From the mouth.
Oh, saliva. Do you mean not barber? Neva comes out with some really funny things, don't you, Neva? Oh, thanks for helping him, Caleb.
No! Fine.
No's his favourite word, isn't it? Oh, you giving Mummy a cuss? Ooh, did you hear that cow then, Micah? She making noises.
No, she's not. She's sneezing. They sneeze. Boy.
So they've got the bikes here because they've been playing out as well. So we were doing some maths and English this morning and reading eggs, and then we had lunch. We made some leek and potato soup. That reminds me, actually, I'm cooking rice. I need to go inside and make sure that it's all right. Oh, blooming heck.
Okay, so I am just going to peel some apples now. They're going to go off soon. These are what we found in the orchard, which is by our house. They'd fallen off the tree, so they were going to waste, so we thought we might as well use them and make an apple crumble. So we made a rhubarb crumble at the beginning of summer, and it was so nice. I've got a video of that if you want to check it out. So this video has kind of ended up being a day in the life, I would say, kind of. Obviously I didn't film this morning, but I've just been filming now when we were outside with the cows. The kids had porridge this morning, and no, not porridge actually, we had oat bakes, and then I made the soup before, which was really nice, and then they had these vegan grilled sandwiches, and they were lovely as well. Grilled cheese, yeah. So I usually use these, I like Bio Life. And then I'm baking some tofu. You might be able to hear the oven. I'm baking some tofu, and I made rice, and I can't believe it. I wanted to make fried rice, and then look at my rice. It's all like stuck together. It was only when I was filming that I realised that I left it on the stove, and I don't think I told Ryan that I was cooking, and he's in the other room doing his work. So I came in, thankfully it wasn't burnt, but now it's all like stuck together, so I don't know whether I'm going to be able to make fried rice with that. But I've read that to make really good fried rice, you need to use rice that's a day old, so I'm wondering whether it would come out right anyway. I'm just really desperate to find a recipe that really makes, like, do you know that Chinese fried rice, like what you get at a takeaway or a restaurant, because I really suck at it. And like, I don't know why, but say on this island, takeaways are way more expensive than back in the UK. You know, like say in the UK you've got, what is it called? Is it Deliveroo and Just Eat and all that? They have some Just Eat here, but where we live, I don't even think there's any that deliver, which is good in a way. I'm not tempted then to ring up and get a takeaway, because like I said, for say like, if you was gonna get like a burger and chips, for example, or burger and fries, not even like a gourmet burger, you're looking at like £10. So like, so my memory just went. I'm always never clearing my memory stick, or I've got so much footage that I need to edit. So I don't even know what I was talking to you about. I've just totally forgotten. So yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna do this, and then the kids told me that they was outside. Oh yeah, I was talking about takeaways, that was it. It just comes to you, doesn't it? So yeah, so yes, when I was living in Preston, obviously there's a lot of students and things like that, but you could get like, say Caribbean food, rice peas, like curried goat, or you could get like vegan options for say £6-7, like burger and chips at some takeaways with only about £3. So yeah, so I'm always trying to do like fakeaways. So I think my curries, I think I've got them down. I really like them. You can't beat going to a proper Indian restaurant though, can you? So I've not been to one of those in a long time. I make burgers for the kids, and I make vegan burgers for me, which are really nice. And then desserts, like waffles and things like that, I'm able to make. I've got like a playlist with desserts and things like that if you want to check that out. But yes, Chinese that I'm struggling with trying to make myself. And like I said, if I get a salt and pepper tofu, fried rice, curry sauce and sweet and sour sauce, that's what I like. That's like about £12 or something like that, so it's a lot, isn't it? So yeah, so the kids came in yesterday and they'd been playing out, and then they said that they found a big load of leaves. I'll have to get Caleb to tell you about it in a bit. He's just on his bike though, and they said it just looked unusual where it was. So they started looking in the pile of leaves, and they found a hibernating hedgehog. So they were so happy about seeing this hedgehog, and thankfully they just covered her back up, which is really good, because obviously she'll be hibernating now until next year. So they're going to show me the pile of leaves later on. They want me to see her, but I said no. I said we really can't be disturbing her. But we read that if you get like a load of leaves and things together, it could encourage more to come. So they want to do that as well, which I think is really nice. And then Caleb's been talking to me all about the cows and what he thinks, and like saying that because they've got loads of hair, they won't be cold when they're outside. So I love the kind of conversations that we have on a daily basis, and then we can look at books or we can get a documentary up and learn more about it together. So I learn a lot from the kids. So Caleb's the one who wanted soup today. He said his favourite soup is tomato or chicken soup, but I don't have the ingredients in for them, but I do have full chicken which I got in my last haul. So what I might do is, when with the leftovers, I might surprise him and make him a chicken soup. Yeah, so I'm going to finish chopping these apples up, make a crumble for later, take you outside, show you this pile of leaves, and then just take it from there. Might show you later if my fried rice comes out right as well.
This is where you usually walk, and then you wondered what this big pile was. And it's the hedgehog is in there, sleeping. Wow. So we don't disturb it then, okay?
Wait, so we can see it.
Yeah. Maybe when it wakes up next year you'll see it, but we won't know when it comes out. Oh, this weather is freezing now. Look at it, it's all misty. Come on, let's go inside. Neighbour wants to have a bath while our apple crumble is cooking. So yeah, we're gonna go inside. We was gonna go for a walk, but it's absolutely freezing. So I want to finish cooking that. My tofu is so hard. I put it in there for too long and it's horrible. So I'm gonna have to try and make some sort of sauce, see if I can salvage it. So that's rice and tofu ruined. But they're not going to be having this anyway. So should we go inside, neighbour? Yeah, make you something else. Back in the kitchen, and I am trying to make fried rice. I've made my crumble, and then I made my own sweet and sour sauce, and then this is the tofu, which is quite hard, but it tastes nice. I'm going to put some spring onions in here, I think, and the chicken's in for the rest of the family. Ryan spiced that up, so I'll show you that in a bit. So I've just been catching up on some videos whenever I'm cooking or doing stuff. I'm watching people's videos, so I don't know if you can see it, but I was watching Lilac Glow's autumn tag. I tagged her in it and it was a really good video. I don't know if you've ever seen her before, but she's really awesome. Let me just see if I can. Yeah, so this is Lilac, and she's from Zimbabwe, but she lives in Scotland. This is so lovely. So I'm going to carry on with this cooking here. Does anybody else use scissors in the kitchen? Because I think they are brilliant at cutting up things like this. I know Jay from My Type of Organised uses them. I think it was Elizabeth Lucy who was like saying, I don't know if she uses them or not, or whether she's seen people use them before, but it's brilliant. Like, look, my spring onion was cut in no time. Having cornflakes now. Your chicken's nearly ready. We've got a bowl out and cornflakes. No, we can't. We're going to have dinner now, darling. I've just eaten dinner, and now I've got my crumble. It's cooled down a little bit. So it's so dark, so you can't even see it properly. But Mike is here, he's excited. So this is what it's looking like. So I decided to put some frozen berries in as well. So I wanted to whip up this oat custard, but because Mike is wants to try some, I think I'm going to give him a little bit. Sorry about all the noise. I'm going to give him a little bit of this now, and then I'm going to see if this whips up. So this is vegan. So it's more like creamy. It was a lot thicker before, but apparently they've changed it. I'm sorry about all the noise, but he's moving the chair here to get up. Right, Micah, are you ready to go and try this?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see if this whisks to be thicker because this is more like cream consistency. I don't know whether it can be heated or not. So this is, can you see, this is what it was looking like. So I finished whisking it and it has thickened up, but I don't understand why they just didn't leave the recipe the way that it was. I think I would have preferred it. It tasted nice how it was before. So here is some more crumble for Neva. So I'm going to pour a bit of this custard in. So yeah, it's a bit thicker. That's what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna go and give these the crumble, then we're gonna chill out for the night and watch a movie. I can't even get my words out. So I hope you like this kind of day in the life video. If you do like this type of content, then please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below to let me know that you like it. And then maybe I could make some more videos, maybe a full day. I have done full day before, from getting up in the morning to going to bed at night, and that was when Micah was, I think he was only about 9 weeks old, and Neva was 3, and Caleb was, how old would he be? 6. So yeah, and homeschooling and everything, so really full on. So I'll link them videos above anyway if you want to check them out. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.